How to attach buckles. Before starting, ensure the heavy shoe is unlaced as shown. Position the buckle upside down. Take one side of the lace and thread it through. Then take the opposite side of the lace and thread that through also. Throughout the process, try and ensure that both sides of the lace remain of equal length, without one side being significantly longer than the other. Once both sides of the lace have been threaded through the buckle, you can take these and thread them through the next set of holes. Then repeat the same process, threading each side of the lace through the back of the buckle and then through the holes of the shoe. Throughout the process, it is easier to keep the laces loose. These can be pulled tight at the end. If the lace is difficult to thread through the back of the buckle, we suggest doing it sideways as it is easier to push it through. Keep repeating the process until all the holes have been laced. Then ensure the buckle is facing the right way up and pull both laces one at a time. The buckle should now be secure and you can tie the laces into a double knotted bow.